Are you looking for a way to remove or react on a message in a group chat on Telegram on your PC? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with the new update. So let's get started. First, open Telegram on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and have access to the group chat where the message you want to remove React from is located. Next, find the message you want to remove React from. It could be a text message, a photo, a video, or any other type of media. Once you've located the message, right-click on it to bring up the options menu. Now, click on the React icon that you want to remove. This will bring up a list of all the Reacts that have been added to the message. Simply click on the same React that you want to remove, and it will be taken off the message. And that's it. You've successfully removed a React on a message in a group chat on Telegram on your PC. It's a simple and easy process that can be done in just a few clicks. So next time you want to clean up your chat history, you know exactly how to do it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Have a great day.